There's breakfast. Nice. Hello. Coffee.
Cocoa Pops, Cocoa Bowls.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's better.
Hey, Vegemite.
Yeah, looks like.
It's on me.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Extra protein.
It's just a fly. Should have made a milo.
We got chicken noodle soup. Assortments of bread. That's not bad. It's not very strong. It's just a nice light sort of soup. Go on, dare you?
Not an animal.
Yum yum.
You don't kill it. Probably like, oh, thank goodness we've had that sitting there for years and nobody ever touches it. Just keep putting the lid back on it. Did you bread in that?
I did put bread in it.
That's good. Fresh bread. What make it delight? Stay all these on. They've literally just refilled it with other ones so they don't keep it airtight overnight.
Should we?
A little bit. At least there's no bits floating in it. I'll give it that.
We've got the French tacos with flies. It's like curry. Yeah.
Interesting.
That's better. Well, definitely interesting. I wouldn't say taco, but.
I'd say burger.
Yeah. It's a nice view.
I don't think we're going to get the sunset today though. Perfect.
Where is the sun? Like here, somewhere.
Yeah, we still got an hour and a half till it sets.
Oh, might get lucky.
It might be, yeah.
I mean, if you don't like the stone grill, we can go to the Thai restaurant. It's really weird, isn't it? Yeah, let's go. Okay.
Got $9 American inside.
It would be nice with a bit of sunset, wouldn't it? No, just pour. Just pour.
It's okay?
It's already open now, so we're good. Thank you. Yeah. I'm getting spat all over. Look at you in your fishing shirt.
Yeah. Dinner. Okay, dinner an hour.
I could go at dinner, but couldn't you?
No, you can order something if you want.
Dinner. Dark bread?
You had me at coconut panna cotta and you lost me with mint and pawpaw.
Whatever.
It's not something that we put on.
What's
They
that?
didn't even like.
Huh?
Oh, toiletries, yeah.
Yeah.
Could be anything. Waterfront. Syrup cake.
Huh.
So at least I'll be able to.
Snow globes for everybody?
I'll fit that, will I?
No water in your carry-on, but just sell it to us at duty free though. Yeah. Oh, so bright. Fogging up, fogging up. Ready to go home? Stay another week. A few more people. A few more people today. A few more people today.